I'm Sharon Morton, the founder and president of Black Door Society. We are an organization of women of color who believe in helping each other to scale their businesses. We share opportunities, we share networks to increase our net worth. We believe in not holding secrets. We want to make certain that all women are winning because we know when one woman wins, all women win. And we're so excited about today. We are celebrating our third Founders Day with our Detroit sisters right here in Detroit. We are all wearing our crowns because we know that we are all queens. If you want to know more about us, go to blackdoorsociety.org.